This is the easiest belly dance bra you can make, even if you've never made a costume before. Hi everyone, I'm Mal from Sparkly Belly, and I've been there. When I first started belly dancing, finding a costume that fits my body, my budget, and my taste felt almost impossible, especially the bra. And the idea of altering a heavily decorated bra? Too much. That's exactly why I started making my own belly dance costumes. And the bra top I'm about to show you today is by far the easiest belly dance bra for beginners. No cutting off side straps and no complicated sewing at all. This video is part of the Beginner's Guide to Belly Dance Costume Making, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Here are the materials I used. You'll find the material list below. This simple prep step makes everything easier later. Start with a foam bra that fits you well. You can use a new bra or one that you already own. Just make sure it's snug and comfortable. Cut off the shoulder straps and cut off the ends of the side straps to remove the hooks. Tip: if your bra already fits very snugly, cutting off the strap ends may make it too tight. If that happens, cut small pieces of felt to match the strap ends you removed and sew them back on to restore the length. Now this is how you make the bra look custom without rebuilding the structure. Fold your fabric right sides together. The right side is the side you want visible when finished. Trace one side strap onto the fabric. Flip the strap up and trace along the underwire line as well. Add a 1 cm or 3/8 inch seam allowance all the way around. Repeat for the other side and cut both pieces out. Sew these 3 sides right sides together using a zigzag stitch. Trim the corners to reduce bulk, then turn them right side out. Insert each side strap into its fabric cover. Align the end of the original strap carefully with the end of the outer fabric and make sure the other end fully covers the underwire. Sew a straight stitch along the end of the strap and right next to the underwire to secure everything in place. Then sew pant hooks on the wrong side at the end of the right strap and bars on the right side at the end of the left strap. Cut a small piece of fabric, wrap it around the center front strap, and stitch it in place. This gathered strip method can save you at least an hour of bra covering. Measure the width of one bra cup. Cut fabric about 5 cm or 2 inches wider than the cup width. For the length, use the full remaining length of your fabric. About 70 cm or 27 inches or longer works well. If you want a clean finish on the shoulder straps, fold 1 cm or 3/8 inch along the raw edges and sew a zigzag stitch. Or leave the edges raw. Stretch fabric doesn't fray and these edges are barely visible on stage. Sew a quick basting stitch along one short edge, about 1 cm or 3/8 inch from the edge. A basting stitch is just a simple running stitch with a long stitch length. Don't make any knots, but instead leave long thread tails at the beginning and end. Then gently pull those threads to create soft gathers. Now this is where your bra transforms from an undergarment to stage ready. Place the gathered edge along the bottom of the bra cup. Fold 1 cm or 3/8 inch along the bottom of the bra cup toward the wrong side. Adjust the gathers until the fabric fits nicely across the cup. Fold 1 cm or 3/8 inch along the side edges toward the wrong side. Spread the fabric so the folded edges wrap neatly around the sides of the cup. Then hand sew the fabric in place. Stitch along the bottom edge and add a few stitches at the sides so the base bra is completely covered. Leave the shoulder straps unfinished to save time if you're using stretch fabric since it doesn't fray. And your bra is done! It's pretty, custom fit, and ready to be decorated. I actually made this entire outfit in 1 hour, including the decoration. If you want to see how that went, have a look at the 1 hour challenge video. The link is in the description. And once you're ready to level up your outfits, come join me inside the Sparkly Belly All Access membership. You get access to 20 courses and over 40 designs, including the popular Dina bra, golden era style bra, and dresses with built-in bras, all designed to help you feel confident and stage ready at your next performance. If pattern making and calculations feel intimidating, don't worry. Every course includes a special calculator so you can skip the math and still create costumes that fit your body perfectly. If that sounds helpful, you can find all the details at the link below. I hope you're excited to make your very first belly dance bra. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the easiest belly dance skirt tutorial next. It's super beginner friendly and you can cut and sew it in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!